And well, hello there everyone. So here I am, I'm chilling out on my parents' driveway. Mom, I'm doing a YouTube video. Say hello.
Yeah.
Mom, just say hello, it's okay.
Hello.
There we go, that's my mom.
Okay.
And so I'm working on figuring out her phone, her cell phone. Yeah. But don't tell anybody, okay?
Here's the glass of water.
Oh, thanks, Mom.
Okay, it's cool.
Okay, so slight penchant for hardware and being able to sort of work with this stuff. So anytime there's an issue, and you know, I'm just around the corner, I just happened to pass by.
Yeah.
And they said, hey, you know, we've got some food for you, which is always good, right? And so I'm in their driveway, and yeah, adobo
and empanada.
Empanada. See that, guys? Adobo and empanada. How can you possibly go wrong with that, right? So it's very delicious. And so I'm working on her phone because what apps did you want, Mom? Netflix.
Yung mga call, yung telephone, text, YouTube, camera,
okay,
tapos glossary, Facebook, and Messenger. Nako, Messenger is important.
Okay, Mom, I will get those things going for you. Google, yeah.
And ano pa, yung Tangerine.
Okay, Tangerine, okay.
Oh yeah, because
granted, a lot of those things are already on the phone.
Your 108 adds up, and it's good for me.
Yeah.
When I go out, I have money.
Okay. Yeah, so you know, if I ever had to stay somewhere, if I had to, I can always stay here. Also, there's other people that have every confidence that if I just drive up to their driveway, they'll allow me to stay there. And this is sort of part of the thing that you can do if you can find a place, if you know people. For example, when I go up north, there's always somewhere where I can just pull up and drive and park for the night. And then just as long as I leave early enough, it's all good. And of course, there's also campgrounds. So those are the kind of things you can do if you're traveling. Okay, I gotta go. I'm gonna get something to eat, but yeah. Thanks for visiting. Bye-bye. Oh, and you know, if you like the video, please like it, subscribe. Bye-bye.